love orchids. We originally did an unboxing video for a new orchid that we received, but believe me, I don't know how I deleted it by mistake. Sorry, babe. So today we're gonna show the orchid that we received, and like always, my wife Ileana is gonna talk a bit about it.
Hi guys, I'm always the talker, right? So I purchased Dendrophylax lindenii by Sallei from Kathleen at Green Cube Orchids, and she purchased the flax from Botanicals, and I have 2 seedlings there. She made sure that I keep her upright because I didn't know that if you put her down, because she's like a phalaenopsis type of growing method, she could get crown rot, so I don't want that. So the funny thing is, Kathleen, that this orchid, the lindenii part, is from Florida, native to Florida, and then the sallei is native to the Dominican Republic, where I was born in. So that's really cool. And then I researched some humidity. It should be within 30 to 90%. And Kathleen did tell me to let it dry out completely, and like spray it every 5 to 6 hours. And then, yeah. And she also mounted it on a hard south bark. I have some notes here.
Cool. I like the way she used the fishing wire.
Yeah, she did really well.
Really good job with the fishing wire.
Yeah. So Kathleen, here's my distilled water. Thank you for all your advice. And she'll do great here. I have her in a terrarium, which I do have to do some updates on it, like cleaning and stuff like that. And we'll show you some pictures later on.
All right. So thank you for watching this short video. And I hope that you love orchids as much as we love orchids. Thank you for watching.
Thank you.
Bye.
I forgot to say that it's a true leafless orchid.
You didn't even call it a ghost orchid.
Yeah.
So I'll put the words.
Ghost orchid. Yeah.
It's a ghost orchid.
Yeah.